Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Darth Gamer B coming at you with his lightsaber. I'm still gonna work on that. But today we're going to be building a Lego ship. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Got my big old box of Legos right here. You can see I picked up parts of it just a second ago because I was making the video. It didn't record. Gosh darn it. And so, don't know how this is gonna work. Hopefully I don't click out of the recording, make it stop at any time, and I have to wait more time because last time the video went on forever. But like I said in the last video, I'm going to be gonna continue my Bubble Blast 3D thing, my Harry Stickman, my there's no pause button, stuff like that. Gonna continue all that. That was so tedious. I hated it. But I'm done uploading all my old videos. All the ones that I want to put out in public. And so I'm kind of done with that part. Good. Now all my videos will have to go up after school, sadly. So if you see me looking down, it's because I'm looking at the timer, see how long we've been going on. But so it's time to show. But anyone there? Okay. But today we are going to be doing the Lego thing, and I'm not going to be playing too many games like Call of Duty, stuff like that. If I ever get a PS4, stuff like that, then I will probably record videos and put them on YouTube. You're gonna hear me talking, but more than likely you won't see my face once I learn how to do it. So let's get building. We're gonna start out with this little brick. Alright. Okay. Oh god, I gotta sit up. Sort of. Gonna clear out some stuff. I like this. That's promising. Okay, so I found this, right? Please go on. Go on. Beep. Okay, done. Okay, so we found this. Okay, now we're going to try by the booster, like put it on the back of this. So it's gonna be promising. Oh god. Look at my awesome creation. Look at it. Or I'll force choke you. Sorry, I had to go along with it. I am so strong. Fuck on, punch. Okay, sorry. No. That's a person. Why is this in here? Or, no. Why did I ever make this? Ooh, it's good for boosters. 1 second. Look at it. The 4 little holes right here, they can be considered boosters, but brr. Okay, so moving this up, moving all this way. This is a creation. I'm gonna steal parts off of it real quick. So look. Okay, so I got an idea right here. We're gonna take this little white piece that I just found out. We're gonna put the green piece right here on. And you see what that does? It's also got 4 boosters, so it's just as good. I can start putting more on. And we're gonna take this white piece, and we're gonna stick it straight on the front. They got little blasters. Okay, we're gonna steal another piece off of this little thing. Please say it'll go in the middle. My thing just fell off, so I'll fix that in a second. Got it. Okay. So awesome right now. Okay, we're not gonna put wings on this thing. because I don't think I have enough room, and I think that it should just be auto-controlled or something like that. I don't know anymore. I'm tired. Okay, so I'm scavenging more parts off of this thing. It's a blaster. Be useful. Okay, look. So I stuck this on. It's got these little things right here. You push on the back, little beams. It shoots. It shot. Awesome. Okay, so scavenge for more parts. There's a poster. Okay, so we're just gonna put this right on the back. This thing is almost as long as the other one was. I'm gonna try and keep my videos short, just because, well, they're gonna take forever to upload if I don't, because my computer's so freaking slow. Okay, so I just added this little piece on right here. It's gonna be awesome. It's a little booster type deal. One second, these are parts that I found a little while ago. Whatever, in the older recording, I was just scavenging for parts. I was gonna make a new part and kind of build the machine, but I had already found the part, so I thought in this video, because the last one didn't work, I'm gonna try and freaking make these. Okay, so I had an idea in the last one that I was gonna use this branch. I was gonna stick it right here. Oops, upside down. And connect these to it, right? Well, turns out they won't fit. Join the Weight Watchers, please. You're too fat. This thing right here, too fat. Too fat. Join Weight Watchers, please. Oh, God. Okay, so jumping all around. Stand by the ground. Jump, 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 jump. Move it all around. Tap, tap, low. Okay, I love that song. Look at this thing. It's coming along. But I think that's going to be all for this video. So I finally made an outro. We're going to face you this way, guys, real quick. And I'm going to go get my outro stuff. I'm going to have it ready in the next video. Whew. Okay, guys, so I'm ending the video right here. Grab your lightsaber or video game controller, and I don't have one right now, sadly. Do I? No, okay. And smack that subscribe button. Plus, hit the like button, comment, and subscribe if you liked and if you enjoyed this video. And that's pretty much it. This is Darth Gamer B. Going back to the Death Star.